If you've ever needed to share a WordPress draft with a client or collaborator, but didn't want to mess around with creating user accounts or giving out passwords, this tutorial is for you. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to securely share a draft post or page using the latest public post preview plugin. Even if your recipient isn't logged in, it's quick, safe, and keeps your workflow smooth. Let's dive right in. The first thing you need to do is install and activate the public post preview plugin. Head over to your WordPress dashboard, then to the plugins section and choose Add New in the search bar. Type in public post preview, you should see it pop up right away. Go ahead and click Install Now. Then hit Activate if you're running a site in 2026 or beyond. You'll want to make sure your WordPress version is at least 6.5 and your PHP is 8 or higher. These are requirements for the plugin since its major update in late 2024. Otherwise, you might run into compatibility issues. A quick check in your site's tools can save some troubleshooting down the line. Once the plugin is active, open up the post or page you want to share. Make sure the status is set to draft. This is important, because the public preview option is only available for content that's not yet published. If it's already live, your clients will just see it like anyone else, and the special link won't work. Now take a look at the right-hand sidebar in the editor. Under the Post tab, you'll find either a summary section or status and visibility, depending on your theme and setup. Here you'll see a checkbox labeled Enable Public Preview. Go ahead and check that box. Instantly, you'll get a unique, temporary URL displayed below it. This link is the key to letting someone see your draft exactly as it looks in preview mode, without logging in or needing any credentials. For the next step, simply click the copy icon next to that generated link. Now it's ready to go. You can send this link via email, chat, or any way you prefer to communicate with your collaborator. When they paste the link into their browser, they'll see the post as if it were about to go live, perfect for getting feedback or client approval. Think of it like giving someone a backstage pass just for this draft. The beauty is that there's no risk of them accidentally publishing or changing anything. And you don't have to set up temporary accounts. Let's talk about managing the lifespan of your preview link, which is even easier in 2026. By default, these links work for 48 hours, but with the latest version of the plugin, you can fine-tune this. If you want to change how long that link stays active, head over to Settings and then Reading in your dashboard. There's now a dedicated public post preview section, where you can type in the exact number of hours you want the link to remain valid, whether that's just for the day or a whole week if your review process needs it. And if you ever need to disable access instantly, maybe your draft's ready for launch, or you want to pull it back for revisions, just uncheck the Enable Public Preview box in the post editor. The link you shared will stop working right away, giving you full control. Lastly, a pro tip for peace of mind. When you do publish the post or page, the public preview link automatically disables itself. That means you never have to worry about old links lingering or people seeing unpublished changes after launch. And that's all there is to it. Sharing WordPress drafts without those extras hassles is truly simple, with the public post preview plugin handling all the details for you. If you found this walkthrough helpful, give the video a like and let me know in the comments if you have any questions, or if there's another plugin you want to see in action. Don't forget to subscribe so you're always up to date on the latest WordPress tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.